Hello guys, I'm going to introduce you some of our products. Now we can see here, this is our battery pack and it's made by this heavy lithium iron phosphate battery cell. And we can see here, this is the touch screen.
It can be divided into two parts. Top part is inverter, the bottom part is battery pack.
We can see here is our portable power station, and its rated voltage is 115.2 and its rated capacity is 50 amp hour. We can also customize this product according to your demand. This is our e-bike battery. It is 48 volt and 20 amp hour. And it's made by 78 cylindric battery like this. It's a power lithium battery. It's 12 volt and 100 amp hour. It's applied in solar system, and we can also customize the products according to your demand. This is our lithium iron phosphate battery. It's 51.2 volt and it's 100 amp hour. Here we can see there are 4 communication ports: CAN, RS232, RS485. And here is a switch, positive, negative. This is our power wall. It's 48 volt and 200 amp hour. Here is the screen, and here is the switch. This battery can be wall mounted, and there are 2 hangers on the left and right. This is our energy storage, and there are 6 pieces in series to be 30 kilowatt. And here is a breaker. This is a home solar energy storage battery, and it's 10 kilowatt hour. Here is the display screen and the switch. Here is the golf cart battery, and it's 24 volt and 240 amp hour. It's made by this lithium iron phosphate battery, and we can also customize these products according to your demand. This is the EV battery, and is 330 volts and 100 amp hour. EV battery is also made by lithium iron phosphate battery. This lithium iron phosphate battery is 3.2 volt and is positive and negative. And we have different capacity: 100 amp hour, 200 amp hour, and 300 amp hour. And we can customize the products according to your demand. These 2 batteries are power lithium battery. It's 12 volt and 100 amp hour. It's mainly applied in solar system. This power lithium battery is 24 volt and 100 amp hour. We can customize the capacity and voltage according to your demand. This is power lithium battery. It's 72 volt and 150 amp hour. It's made by lithium iron phosphate battery, and is applied in high-speed logistic vehicles, low-speed electric vehicles, golf carts, RVs, and etc. This lithium power battery is 48 volt and 60 amp hour. Here is the screen, and these are 2 switches. It's mainly applied in copper.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.